Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, loosen the 2 screws on the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Unlatch and remove the front bezel. Find the hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables. Unlatch and remove the assembly from the system. Identify the disk drive cage, disconnect the cable, and remove the screw securing it. Lift the cage up and flip it over. Disconnect the cables and remove the cage from the system. Identify the memory module and unlatch it. Grasp the module by the edges to remove it from the system. To reinstall the memory module, re-latch it to the system. Place the disk drive cage back in the system and plug in the cables. Flip the cage over, install the screw, and reconnect the cables. Re-latch the hard drive assembly to the system and reconnect the cables. Re-latch the front bezel and tighten the 2 screws to secure the side cover. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.